So we've got really good revenue, guys. 6% suppressed for AMC. Yes, the earnings we didn't go in positive. However, we did a nice jump of 19%. And of course, at the market open, we have a little bit of pullback. And as you see here, we got a huge buying pressure over the $2, the new support over the earnings for today. So we have to discuss what's gonna happen after that. Are we gonna have the $3 or the 4 and hold the 2 or not for the rest of this month of July, because we got just 10 days left at the end of this month. Before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, remember Baya that we discuss before, guys, on our Discord and Patreon. We discussed Baya last week. Of course, it was the around the $4 and doubled $8 today. Before the market open, we flashed down because we warned our hunter around the $8.28. We set the resistance, and right now it's pulling back down. So we just do update for mini stocks like those like this one. It's not just AMC and GameStop on our Discord. So in meantime, let us discuss AMC, guys, because right now 22% and is about to squeeze over the $2.38, a new high. We didn't have this high even in the pre-market. Right now we have this test and we got a bit of red candle. So what we should expect right now? The good thing is we got a new low down here. We have a lot of buyers. We didn't stay and we reverse really quickly. We pull back, then we reverse again. So now after this good earnings that we got today, not good earnings, but the good revenue for AMC, we've got another try to break the new high or the major resistance level around the $2.38. Once we break this level, we've got a new level to watch out for, guys, is another 10% up around the $2.63. So this will take us almost 30% after the earnings for the percentage wise. So 30% is really good. Now, right now it's 20%. So the maximum for today we might do is 30%. And if we have a perfect scenario, we're gonna do another 30% or 50% in total around the $3.04, which is the other level for a squeeze. And over there we might have, yes, a pullback a little bit. But one thing that we should watch out for, even if we go toward the $263, is holding the $2.05. So this is the the least price that we should go for AMC to confirm that we're not gonna have any surprise or any new seller. Because if we broke the $2, we might go in red. Sometimes it happened, even though we got a huge jump after the earnings. Sometimes we have a flood of sellers adding up around the new resistance and we give up and the price pulled back. But if we hold the $2.05, just from the technical, guys, will confirm that the buyers, the whales or investors who bought AMC after this good revenue, is still holding the price. I'm not caring about the little fishes, the day traders who buying like little shares of AMC. Are we caring about the market maker, the insiders who still holding? How are we gonna confirm that? It's just by holding over the 205 where they bought just at the earnings, and of course going toward the $3 by this week or the before the end of this month will be the best case scenario to see at least the $3, hold the $2, then go toward the $4 level. So this is technically will give us another 70%. We already did this before once we tested the last when we pulled back after the earning 27%, then we reversed almost 150% in just 1 month. So it's doable, guys, that we might see the $4 by like the next month if we held the $2 and break the $3. So let me know what you think. Are we gonna have the $3 really quick for this week, or we have to wait a bit, consolidate over the $2, and then go toward the $3? Let me know, guys, in the comment section below.